Alright, so C-Advocate here again. Just started the video and my batteries died on the camera, so we've already got it busted out. I got the packs here, and I did get an extra bonus pack with 1 in 6 chance. Got 2018 Update Chrome. I'm gonna open that last. And this is the Rookie Explosion box, of course, by Philmington. Awesome product. Here's the list of packs. If you want to pause it and check it out. And I'll scroll through this a little bit slowly so you can see what we're looking for. Alright, we're going to go into chronological order from the oldest to the newest. So first one is 82 Tops, where we're looking for Lee Smith or Cal Ripken Jr. Alright, we got Stan Banson, Roberto Ramos, Rick Burleson, Bo Diaz, Dan Ford, Lloyd Mosby, and in action Ron Gertie, and this is a sticker of Mike Torres. We got future stars for the Royals: Atlee Hammaker, Mike Jones, and Daryl Motley. We got Art Howe, Tom Poquette, Jeff Zahn, nice Carlton Fisk in action. Jerry Augenstein and Lamar Hoyt. Not bad. None of them big rookies, but that's alright. Alright, then we got 93 Upper Deck. Which, if I remember right, these are sticking together, so we're going to have to be careful with them. So, we got 2 here. We got a... Oh no, we got more than 2. So we got Cubs Ivy Leaguers, which is Randy Myers, Ryan Sandberg, and Mark Grace. Jose Olivia. Then we got the checklist for the top prospects. Set one up. And John Vanderwall. The checklist is Calvin Murray. Then we got a hologram of Then and Now of Robin Yount. That's actually pretty nice. I like that. Definitely a good little hit there. Frank Thomas. Don't look like I got much paper loss off that. I'll definitely like that one. Paul O'Neill. Let's try to get through this a little bit faster. Jeff Howe. Glenn Davis Orioles checklist. Troy Neal. We got a Hubie Brooks behind that. Tracy Woodson. Ooh, that had a lot of paper loss for Chris Hammonds. Jose Uribe. And Luis Riviera, and that's it on those. Alright, Next is going to be 97 Bowman Chrome, which we're looking for Roy Halladay, Adrian Beltre. And so far on the videos that I've watched, I've actually seen one of each pull. So let's see what we can do. Pat Klein. Kelvin Escobar. Grant Roberts. And Paul Molitor. None of the rookies, but still not bad. Next is 04 Bowman. We're looking for Felix Hernandez, or the auto of Joey Votto. Excuse me. Jonathan Fulton. Nick Cornault. Eric Abar. The gold Joel Zumaya. Jorge Mejia. Roger Clemens. Corey Casto. Sung Jung. Rafael Palmeiro. And Marcus Macbeth. Now we're jumping to 2013 Topps Update, which is the Yelich, Arenado, Rendon, Puig, and Didi Gregorius. Trevor Bauer, Tim Collins, Vernon Wells, Pedro Strop, Cal Ripken Jr. That's a nice one, I like that. Put that over there. Mike Zunino, Juan Segura, All-Star, Brandon Phillips, All-Star. Looks like I got the All-Star pack. Edwin Encarnacion, and Junior Lake rookie. Next is 14 update, looking for Betts, DeGrom, Springer, Suarez. Tim Williamson, Tony Cruz, Seth Smith. We got power plays. Adrian Gonzalez. We got a Mookie Betts. The future is now. It's a nice one. Mike Ellis. Drew Smiley. Michael Choice rookie. Juan Perez rookie. And Matt Davison rookie. Got some decent rookies in there, and coming of age Mookie Betts. Now 2016 Topps Chrome is Corey Seager, Trey Turner, Aaron Nola, Blake Snell, Trevor Story. Autos of Seager, Carlos Correa, Trey Turner, Story, Nola, Blake Snell, Luis Sereno, and Michael Conforto. So we got Jose Batista, David Wright, Carlos Gonzalez refractor, and Brandon Drury rookie. '17 Heritage Minor is Soto, Amina, Eloy, Tatis, Alonso, Senzel, Kirilloff, and then you got short prints of Acuna, Guerrero, and Robles. Autos of Acuna, Eloy, Torres, Alonso, and Senzel. So Gillespie, there's Eloy, It's a great one to start off with. J.P. Crawford. We got Baseball America, Tyler O'Neill, which is one of my PCs. Jesus Sanchez. Felix George, which is not a bad one. Dane Dunning. Buddy Reed. '18 Bowman is Vlad Jr., Acuna, Soto, Shohei, Imenez. We know what's going on with these. Dustin Fowler. Jack Flaherty, rookie. Sandy Alcantara. Jonathan Shoup. Top 100, Lewis Robert, number 29. DJ Hall. First Bowman Chrome of Sean Murphy. Bowman Chrome, Jason Martin. Miguel Angel Sierra. Forrest Whitley. Not bad. Next is 18 Chrome. This is Acuna, Bueller, Ohtani, Torres, Robles. Autos of the following also. So we got Zach Granite, rookie. Oh, Francisco Lindor, Superstar Sensations Autograph Redemption. Fantastic. That is fantastic. Noah Syndergaard. Ryan Braun.
Hi.
Connor says hi. Alright, so that's fantastic. And now we got 18 Heritage High number, which would be Acuna, Soto, Ohtani, you know, the same group pretty much. Got Cuthbert. Yariel Munoz, rookie, which will go to the PC. Dan Otero. Ooh, that one's hard to see, but that's Boxberg. George Springer award winners. It's nice. Anibal Sanchez. Christian Arroyo. It's another decent one. Mike Stassi. And Wade Davis. Alright. Then we got 18 Update, which is Soto, Acuna, and Shohei. And the image variations of them. We got Brandon Morrow. Mike Fultonevich, which I can say that name thanks to Madden Baseball. Check him out. Teoscar Hernandez. Kyle Schwarber. $25,500 career K for Verlander. Storybook Endings. Ted Williams. Carlos Santana. Chris Stratton. Nelson Cruz. And Max Scherzer. And my bonus pack, 2018 Update Chrome. Gleyber Torres, Tyler Beede, Joey Lucchesi, and Matt Harvey. I would have to say that's pretty good. I got the George Springer Award winners from Heritage. I got the Eloy Jimenez from Heritage. And I got the Redemption for Super Sergeant Station autograph, Francisco Lindor from 18 Chrome. I got the 93 Robin Yount Upper Deck hologram. It's pretty awesome. And several others here and there. Christian Arroyo, Yair Munoz, Alcantara, Jack Flaherty rookie, Tyler O'Neill, the Mookie Betts coming of age, future is now, Kyle Ripken Jr., and Frank Thomas. So plus several others in the stack. Those are just what I pulled out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.